Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you step by step of how I achieve these curls. Okay. So stay tuned as I show you all from the beginning to the end the full process of how I get my hair like this. Okay, so starting off, you're gonna do your wand curls on freshly washed blow dry hair. As you can see, this is what this is right now. And I blow dry my hair to leave it. I don't want it to get it like really bone straight, but at the same time I wanted to get it overall, you know, so you can kind of see. I wanted to get it overall kind of straight. I still leave like my edges a little poofy and my roots kind of poofy as well. And so this is the wand that I will be using today. It is basically just a Remington wand. I believe I got this from Walmart maybe like some years ago. And so I'm using temperature 392 degrees because I don't like to use over 400 on my hair. So the easiest way for me to start when I do my hair like this is to just section off my hair. So I already have it like split down the middle, and that's how I'm going to keep it. Okay, so with this side, I am going to kind of normally how I straighten my hair. So if you see my straighten hair video, I kind of just part my hair into sections the same way. Okay, and it just depends on how you want your curls. That kind of depends on how much hair you use on the wand at a time. And so I kind of want small to medium curls. So I'm going to start off by using this amount of hair. And really first things first, like I don't care that my roots aren't like particularly that straight because I'm going for like a more natural wand type of curl look. So now that I got it straight, and they have a glove that came with this, but me personally, I don't like to use the gloves because, you know, it just doesn't benefit me because I learned how to use it to not really burn myself. So let me show you. You start like this, and you kind of just wrap your hair around like that. You can see. I only leave it on here for a couple seconds, and then voila, this is what the curl will look like. And so I'm gonna do another one because when I was in college, I loved doing wand curls. Like I used to do wand curls a lot after I learned how to do them. So we're just I take about this amount of my hair like I did. I'm not using extra small pieces because I don't really want really small curls. So I'll just take it, wrap it around. And you have to be careful really not to. See, that's another thing. You're going to have like those moments to where you let go of your hair and everything like that. So you just tighten this up. Yep, so it's like this. Leave it on for like up to 5 seconds. And then voila. So it's literally just that easy. I only do it one time. And yeah. And so I'm gonna just do my whole head now. So another thing, when I was going through my hair, when you have like a long piece like this, what I would do is just to get the roots kind of straight, just rub the wand on your roots like that. Rub them on your edges good. And that's really about it. So this process doesn't really take that long. Like, it's been taking me, because I start and I stop, but I feel like in all it takes like 30 to 35 minutes, really just depending on how much hair you have and the size that you want your curls, basically. Like, if you want a really small curls, of course it's going to take longer because you're going to have smaller pieces. But like for this little piece right here, what I would do starting off, I would rub the roots like that. Get this so you can see closer. Yep, rub the roots like that. Since this is like a good amount of hair, I'm going to actually split this part in half. And, you know, wand it from there. Hold it for a couple seconds and let it go. So the edges are definitely the most delicate part though, because, you know, we ain't trying to lose our edges out here. We are trying to have good, nice, and healthy edges at the end of the day. So you don't want to leave it on the edges part too long. And bam, like that. Okay, so as you can see, these are how my curls turned out. They feel good. They're nice and bouncy, nice and soft, and kind of fluffy. And usually what I'll do to kind of give them a little bit more body, I kind of just get the comb with the roots and go like that, just so I can kind of pick out the curls just a little bit, you know. And so all in all, this process is not long. Probably took like 30 to 45 minutes, as I had to go back and do some of them because my hair was sweating out while I was getting them done. So yes, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this hair tutorial was very informative for you, and I hope that you learned a lot from it. And so, oh yeah, so usually to go to sleep, the way I do it, honestly, I'm gonna be real with y'all, I usually just put on a bonnet the first couple days and call it a day. But after the curls start like to drop and it kind of gets like that loose curl look, and I want to just, you know, have them fresh back looking curls, I usually just get some flexi rods, usually like maybe like the blue kind or the orange ones. Kind of just depends on how big or small you want your curls. Put them flexi rods back in my hair, and bam, I got fresh curls all over again. So what's up, you guys? So this is the morning after. At first I literally thought that I was going to just sleep with the bonnet on, but the way my hair is set up, the humidity got to it yesterday, and I was like, in order for me to have a good hair day today, I definitely need to wrap these curls up. So I'm going to take out one of these rollers and then show you all how I actually wrapped it up. I should have did that last night, but I didn't get in until like late. So I just unravel the top like this, and then the curl comes out like that. So I just want to show you all how I actually went about putting these rollers on my head. So I section out into pieces, and I grip it kind of tight. I wrap this part around and just kind of make sure it's in like that, but I don't do it too tight to where, because you know I gotta sleep in these, and you know we all know that these are not that comfortable. So I kind of just twist it around, you know, just like that. And for the end, I would just lock it like that. So that's how I did all of these rollers. But now I'm taking my hair out because I'm getting ready to, you know, start my day. And oh, some of them got tangled. But yeah, these, when I wrap my hair with these rollers this way, my curls come out in a very similar style to how they were yesterday. Depending on how you do your flexi rods, depends on how your curls turn out, obviously. And so, okay. So, these are my curls. This is what I'm going to be rocking my hair today. No, I'm playing. But, okay, so I got this Cream of Nature. It's like your 7-in-1 treatment. I talked about it on one of my previous hair videos. It basically helps with detangling, heat protection, breakage defense, controls frizz, moisturizes your hair, prevents split ends, and adds some shine. So I'm only going to add literally just a couple of sprays. And that's really about it, because like I said before, my hair is really oily. It gets oily very quickly, so I have to usually wash my hair like every week. And so my curls are really bouncy though. Do y'all see this though? Like, we bouncy. So after, I usually just take my fingers and just go through like this. So yeah, my curls have, you know, they're defined and they're bouncy. My hair is still soft. It feels really good. And yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really glad that I roll my flexi rods. I do feel like in order to keep your curls up when your hair is like this, you definitely should flexi rod every night, even though that can get annoying. But if you don't, I feel like you will wake up with like, your curls are gone. Your hair is probably flat from laying down on that bonnet. So yeah, these are day 2 curls, flexi rodded up and out. So I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I decided to just do a morning after video. I don't know why, just because I rolled my hair and I was just like, I want to just show how it looks the day after, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And also remember to hit that subscribe button and put that bell notification on so you can know every time your girl posts a video. So thank you all for watching this video again. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in my next video. Bye.